Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to combine multiple JPG files into one single file using the updated tools and methods for 2025. Whether you're creating a collage, merging scanned pages, or organizing images into one tidy document, this guide will walk you through the steps smoothly. Let's get started. First is open your web browser and search for the JPG into one file converter and click Enter. In here, find the Merge JPG Online and click it. In the next window, click the Browse File. Select the JPG file you want to merge and click Download JPG. And lastly, check if the JPG is already merged. And that's it. Now you know how to combine JPG files into one file quickly and effortlessly using the 2025 method. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to check out more guides to simplify your digital tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.